First open the Developer tab, then click the Visual Basic. Now make a command button. You can do it by opening a toolbox, or just copy the previous command button and paste it in the user form. Change the caption into delete. Then double-click the delete button to put the code. You can follow me or copy the code in the description below. Now back to our spreadsheet. Open the user form. Let's try it by deleting the 1005 data. And the delete button is working fine. Let's try it again. Now we were deleting the 1011 data. And it delete from our database. So that's is all for this. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload videos. As always, thanks and be safe.